Hi, my name is Rini, final year student pursuing a degree in education with TESOL, and TESOL is short for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. I'm passionate about arts, different genre of arts, but I didn't manage to enroll myself in an art school. But instead, I was able to set up an art club here in the University of Nottingham, together with a group of wonderful people who feel very deeply about art as well. So I was the creative director for Society of Fine Arts. I design event posters, and I have also conducted 2 watercolor workshops. If say all of us have a vision of making the world a better place, then mine will be through education. I look forward to empower individuals by equipping them with the competence in using English because it's currently the international language, and also to empower them through art. I was very anxious during the first day of my class because I couldn't speak English properly, which is the irony, but as I go along, things come along as well. It has been a very enriching experience for me to be able to study with the School of Education, because we don't only just study the theories underpinning education, we do a lot of practical activities. For example, we have designed teaching materials, educational videos, and we also do mock teaching. Other than that, I would also love to highlight the fact that my program is inclusive of 2 modules on special education needs, which has impacted me significantly at both personal and professional level. And I have been very fortunate to be able to partake in 2 educational field trips to schools in Thailand and also Sri Lanka. You know, interacting with different people, different perspectives constantly makes you reflect, rethink, and remind yourself of what is education and what do you want to do as a future educator. And I would like to recommend this course to anyone who would like to make a difference in somebody's life to join the School of Education.